Welcome to the world of chess openings. Today, we're diving into one of the oldest and most elegant openings in chess history, the Italian game. It's fast, flexible, and full of attacking chances. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate player, mastering this opening will give you a strong foundation for your future games. The first move, White starts with 1-all-4, the most popular opening move in chess. This move immediately takes control of the centre, opens lines. The second move, Black responds with 1-all-5, mirroring White's move. Now, both sides are fighting for the centre, a perfect balance so far. The third move, White plays 2-nf3, attacking the e5 pawn. This move develops the knight towards the centre and adds pressure. It's the fourth move, Black plays 2-nc6, a natural and strong move, that a the fifth move. Now comes the 3, bc4. It's one of the most dangerous points in Blah from here. From this position, White can choose different setups. You can go for quiet development with d3, or start an early attack with c3 and d4 to challenge the centre. It's a great way to balance safety and aggression, and that's the Italian game. Simple, logical, and deadly when used correctly. It teaches you how to control the centre, develop quickly, and think about king safety. If you want an opening that gives you both attacking chances and solid structure, the Italian game is the perfect start. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more chess tactics, traps, and openings. Black pawn.